I'm actually a little bit angry. I'm a little bit angry because Christmas is literally here and I'm out of recipes. Today is the star on top of the Christmas tree and we're gonna be whipping up a Christmas roast turkey. I know you Americans, they have turkey for Thanksgiving. Over in New Zealand, we only get turkey around Christmas time. It's been a tradition in my family for the last decade plus. We always have a massive ass turkey. And it's an homage to my family to yours. We're gonna whip up a delicious turkey. And we're gonna take all the intimidation, all of the stigma, all of everything negative away from this delicious bird. Kick back, relax, and enjoy my Christmas turkey recipe. Okay, here we go. Here's my head. It weighs more than a newborn baby. So, all right, it's not. We don't want to touch the turkey yet. Pause. The theory is, we make a garlic butter, seasoning butter, stuff it under the skin, and then while it cooks, it renders down, as well as the turkey fat. So it's the turkey fat, the butter, and then that bastes the flesh of the turkey, making it unbeatable, delicious, blah, 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 blah. If you've been in the dumps this holiday season, because I've seen New Zealand has officially confirmed we are in yet another recession. So shout out, bro. Shout the hell out. Shout out. Shout out to everyone thugging it out this Christmas. If you have money, if you don't have money, doesn't matter. Watch the video. Okay, so I've got my butter. Hold on, let me actually do this properly. I've got my butter. Add smoked paprika. Not too much, like a tablespoon. I'm using dry herbs because, like I just said, we're in a recession. So a decent amount of thyme and a whole lot of garlic. Heaps, like heaps. This much. I don't know, that's like 2 tablespoons. And then guess what? Add another tablespoon to that. And then guess what? Add another tablespoon to that. I'm not sure how many tablespoons that is, but I'll save it for the editor to figure out. Switch your spoon to a fork and just start mashing away. And this, friends, is called a seasoning butter. It's where you just add seasonings to room temp butter. Ooh, I don't know, turkey just makes me feel some type of way. Ooh, just the smell of turkey just like activates my brain to be happy as. Any of you miserable Grinches out there for Christmas time? Maybe you guys need to make a turkey. Make this turkey recipe. Okay. Look at this fat ass bird. Look at this fat ass bird. If you have a turkey or anything, you'll have the giblets. Pretty much turkey neck. Keep that beautiful stock. And then you have whatever else is in there. The offal. That's cool too. That's mega. So I'll do a little bit of trimming first. Just trim the fatty fats. And this, you have like a little membrane in between the flesh and the skin. You just give that just a little break with your fingers. And then be careful not to tear this, okay? That's what we don't want. Just separate the flesh from the skin. Flesh from the skin from the flesh. Man, I do find myself like a little bit agitated, eh? Is agitated the right word? Hey Siri, define agitated.
Agitated means feeling or appearing troubled or nervous. Do you want to hear the next one?
No, I wouldn't say I'm nervous. I'll say I'm just like, oh, stop listening.
Okay.
I say I just have like a lot of energy built up. So you got the breast here, the membrane connecting the thigh and the drum is here, and you just want to just do that. Same, similar, same. And then you can go up all along around the rib cage and stuff. Might be like a couple other membranes you need to puncture, but just take your time, but don't be scared. Try the other side. You can hear it releasing. Get your salt and pepper, and we're gonna season. There's a mega giant bird, all right? So don't be afraid, don't be shy. Like literally, just throw some in. Down there, throw some in. And honestly, you can make the most delicious turkey with just salt and pepper. If you want to be super basic, just use salt and pepper. With any bird, I say with any bird, but you'll have the turkey wishbone, which is here. And whenever you're doing, like with my roast chickens and stuff, I tend to remove the wishbone just because it makes it easier for carving and it speeds up the cooking process like a lot more than you would actually realize. Okay, ready? Got grips, 2 fingers on the wishbone, and then I'm just using my fingers to separate the meat from the actual bone. So 1 part snapped on me, 2 parts snapped on me, which is cool. You should be able to see it here. Wishy, wishy, bone, bone. And this, friends, is the sign of success. If you have a dinner guest or a best friend or something, you can totally just pull this out and have it as a little party trick. Squeeze the lemon juice into the cavity. Okay, all you need to do now is get fistfuls of butter, and it's so much easier grabbing it by the fistful and then chucking it under the skin and then go over the top of the skin and just massage it around the flesh. It can get a little bit boring, but honestly, just do what I say and move fast. Or if you have friends and drink, that makes it easier. Yeah, heaps on the breast. Heaps on the breast, keeping it nice, moist and juicy. All right, I don't have to explain this one for the freak bobs out there, but we're just doing a little BDSM chicken situation, but it's a turkey. Tuck the wings under and then place that in our tray. If you want to know how to do it, bro, you just tie some knots to our tray and then chuck these guys around. Okay, once again, voiceover Matt is back for this one. Just have a look at this guy's eyes. He's dead inside. It's been a bit of a wild ride prepping this turkey, but no worries. If you just follow everything I say, it's gonna take you significantly less time. And we're putting this into our fridge uncovered. That's gonna dry out our skin, making the turkey crispy skin situation the easiest thing ever. So listen to that guy, follow the recipe. If you need words, check the description. Oh my god, it's the next day. It's the next day. Summer's actually finally here. The ocean's calm, delicious. There's a bit of a sea mist outside. Oh, that's just the window. No need to worry though, because our turkey has been absorbing all of those delicious flavors from the previous day. And then all we got to do now is cook it. It's going to take less time because we removed the wishbone. And uncovering it, I was going to hold it up, but it's kind of leaking. I'm not going to do that. It's kind of, was it overnight in the fridge? The skin's kind of like dry. As dry. Okay, so there was a Christmas party last night. I had a mean ass time. Look at this. One of the best hangover cures, coconut water. I could have done it with another 2 liters of these. We have our bird that is a little bit wet on the back, but this is what it looks like. The skin's dried up and it's a lot less rubbery. That's gonna make crisping it up in the oven the easiest thing ever. But yeah, anyway, we had asado yesterday, Argentinian barbecue. So delicious. And honestly, I was thinking about it just before, but I'm so grateful for the position that I am in. Just meeting all these like incredible, uniquely talented individuals. And in my opinion, that's what makes life fun. Because doing what I do for a job, it does get like real lonely, eh? I wish I was like actually joking about that. I actually love working by myself like a lot of the time, but just a little bit of human connection every once in a while is what this guy needs. We have our onion peeled, and I'm gonna cut it maybe twice, so that will give us 3 rings. And then this is a natural rack for our turkey to sit in. All the drippings, all the flavor, all the butter, all goes down into the bottom of the roasting dish. With our turkey, you can use any kind of liquor. No, what am I saying? With our turkey, you can use any liquid. If you have chicken stock, if you have water, you'll have water. If you have wine, use wine. I'm going to be using an RTD, and I always use RTDs for... Oh, that's such a lie. I don't always use RTDs. I just typically use RTDs if I don't have any chicken stock on hand. You know what? It's like 3 o'clock right now. I'm about to make the turkey. Tell me why I have like an undying urge to just go get takeaways. No good, no good. And you watching this video, you need to like it up, and you're gonna get more and more delicious recipes and vlogs. Okay, there you go. Look at that, perfect fit. If you have like herbs, fresh herbs and stuff, I mean, yeah, add it if you want. But I'm so happy how this looks. I'm gonna take a photo actually. I need my phone. I'll check the turkey in 30 minutes, and then I think it's gonna take an hour 45 to cook, which sounds pretty crazy, but nah, just straight off the dome. I genuinely think that's what it's gonna take. We removed the wishbone, so that makes all the difference in the world, doesn't it? Look, we're cooking it at 200 Celsius. Check the full recipe instructions in the description. But yeah, we're cooking it hot and fast, getting a nice crisp. I'm having some of this pineapple jalapeno soda. There's a guy fishing like right outside my house. Hold on, I'll take you guys out. This is how we're looking. Oh, look at that blue, beautiful blue sky. He was reeling it in. I would even be inclined, no, you know what? I'm not even gonna be inclined to do nothing. I'm gonna be inclined to shut the hell up and just trust what my instinct initially said. Holy shit, I actually forgot. Here's all the turkey offal. Turkey, hey, the skin's already going crispy. I don't know where the footage went with this, but this is after half an hour, and I've tinted a piece of foil over the top of the breast, but not directly touching. It makes the world of a difference. Just look at that. That's sexy. Have a look at her. I think it all up 215, but everything will be in the description, guys, so you don't even need to worry about that. Now, with my thermo, do a little temp check. Once you feel the bone, come a little bit higher than that, and then that's where you take your temp. Breast meat, we're sitting at just on 71, sitting at 74. Yum, just listen. Okay, now it's the next day. It's actually the next day, but I'm just saying that because I think this is the longest I've taken on a recipe. Anyway, this is our turkey, cooled down. You can see the skin's not crispy. And then this is our gravy tray. And yes, I will be showing you how to make a gravy with all of this delicious fat. Gelatin at the moment. We're chucking this in the oven just to go back down to liquid form. We've cut the twine, and just look how obedient this delicious turkey actually is. Holding its shape perfectly, and best part about it all is when we go to break it down, all we have to do is just grab whatever piece that you want. So I want like a drum and thigh combo. Tear. And who's coming over for dinner? I've got a drum and thigh turkey combo waiting for you. The best way to judge a turkey on how it's cooked is the breast. So I'm gonna slice, I'll probably use half of this. Just aim for the middle and you'll hit the middle bone. And then whatever side your turkey wants to peel down is the side that you're gonna take off. Go down, and then you're just pulling this to the side, and then just for like the finesse, cut. Whole turkey breast. Size reference, beautiful stuff. This is insane. Like honestly, what the let's go. Hold on, can you see that? Can you see how it's carved? Beautifully. The next day you can see how juicy it is, eh? Straining. Yeah, what do? The gravy's like the easiest part. It doesn't need to take that long. We're just gonna thicken it up with any kind of starch you have. If you have cornstarch, use that. If you have potato starch, use that. 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. I like to go 2 tablespoons of water. Add in your cornstarch slowly while whisking. Don't stop. I'm going to whip up a celebratory bev early. This is what I'm drinking today. Asahi Super Dry Nama Jockey Can. It's like a self-foaming beer. So you just open it up like that, and then I'll turn you down. It starts foaming. So I'll leave you there while I work on the gravy. The Japanese place where I got the horse sashimi and stuff, those 3 grannies, they were such a fun vibe. I asked for another beer and they brought me the bill. They thought I was asking for the bill. And they were they started getting like real sad because we were having such a good time. And I was like, why you send me the bill? And then the granny that speaks English, she's like, oh, Mari, biru. So cheers to them. Drinking a Japanese beer, thinking about a Japanese lady. Crisp, clean, fresh, delicious. I need to make sure I don't overwarm the turkey, eh? Oh yeah, perfect. Oh, I'm absolutely on the money. I'm so sexy. That's crispy, baby. That's crispy. Oh, delicious. Cheers to everyone watching. Thank you for making it to the end of the video. I really wish you the best for the Christmas period, the festive season, wherever you are. And I know some people are in different financial positions or in financial hardships. Just know I'm always thinking about you and praying for you. So to all my supporters out there, this bite is for you. Oh my God. Yum. Yum. It's like, it just has its own flavor. Turkey. But at the same time, it's definitely not dry. It's so well cooked. Turkey breasts are already lean. So it needs all the help we can get. Wow, that skin's crispy, eh? And honestly, I don't even think this needs gravy like that. Not dry at all. When I was thinking about this recipe and doing it so high, 200 Celsius, I was like, there's a strong possibility that it can dry out real quick. But I think it only took like 2 hours, 10 minutes. And it's not like gonna be perfect, like if you were to do like a reverse low and slow or anything like that. But for something within close to 2 hours, like this is the biggest bird I could get my hands on too. So if you have a smaller bird, it'll take less time. Okay, skin. Crispy. Turkey flavor, fatty, delicious. Alright, who's coming over for dinner? We've got roast turkey and gravy. Don't be afraid to use RTDs if you're roasting meats. I think that genuinely just makes me want to cry. We'll go for like a mega bite. This is the thigh. Nah, bro. Nah, it's too good. It's so delicious. Not dry, not undercooked. Like, honestly, just perfect. I'm actually about to burst, there guys. But I'm gonna leave you all right there. Thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. Make sure you do all those lovely things that truly help me out a ton by liking it up, comment down below anything. I'm seriously loving all the comments I'm receiving. Share to all your friends, your family. And I wish you the best Christmas possible. Make a roast turkey. I'm taking a bit of a break, so this is gonna be my last one for the Christmas week, possibly for the year, but I'll see how bored I get. Depending, until then, I'll catch you in the next one. 2024, 2025, doesn't matter.